What's going on, guys? We're going to go over today's setups. Now today, honestly, I got some really clean price action based on my strategies. Cleanest price action that I've seen in a while, to be honest, where I took 4 trades and I called it a day. On that one specific account, I think we went up $438 or something like that when it was all said and done. And I decided to just end it pretty much about an hour and a half after the day opened. And the reason being is you don't always get a lot of days where your system aligns with your strategy and all the stars seem to match up and you follow your rules, you respect your take profits, you respect your stop losses, and everything goes picture perfect, right? Those days do not happen often. So when they do, and you do implement your strategy, you do also respect your rules, you do also knock down a few winners, it's time to just actually respect that. Okay, it's time to actually just respect that and say, hey, you know what? I did my job. That was a good day. So what I'm looking at here, immediately, you know, kind of off the New York Open, 5 minutes after the bell, we had a 5-minute 20 SMA play. Okay, so those of you guys are pretty familiar with this strategy. We get that candle to close over that 20 SMA. We're looking for a following candle to take out the wick. We're getting long. I'm looking for a 5-point take profit. Immediate $100 winner here on one mini contract. Now that second trade of the day that I was looking for was going to be that 30-minute opening, or excuse me, the second trade actually was a 15-minute opening range, and I also took the 30-minute opening range. So the second trade was the 15-minute opening range. You can see here, first 5-minute candle, second 5-minute candle, third 5-minute candle. Here's our opening range for the 15 minutes. Again, very quick scalp. You can see the high price here was $20,558, and we shoot up to $20,479. Now we're at $200 and some change. Okay, that third trade of the day was that 30-minute opening range, and you're going to see that get confirmed in that first 10 a.m. to 10:05 candle, New York time. Here we got in over that price of $20,480. We shot up. There's another $100 winner. Now we're up around $300 and some change. We started with some choppiness action, this, that, and the other. And what I went for after that was a 1 minute, and let me pull up the chart, a 1 minute 9 EMA scalp. Now, I haven't talked about this a lot here on YouTube because it was in testing phase. I don't plan to really talk a lot about it, just due to the fact that myself and a lot of the other members in Evolution Traders were really working on take profits and stop losses and perfecting this kind of scalping, micro scalping strategy. So again, I'll just kind of show you the setup here. And that setup was after the 10 a.m. hour here, and let's see, where do we go here? There's an opening range break, and then once we pulled back, here it is here. So this is a 30-minute opening range candle on the 1 minute time frame that we took, and then once we pulled back into the 9, we got a closure below the 9 EMA. However, I wasn't looking to take that short, but I was looking to go back to the long, because my thought process here was that the first initial back test off the run up through the 30-minute opening range, if we can hold, right? If we can hold, maybe there's one more attempt to either test highs or put in a new high. And we got in on this candle here at 10:14. So that was the long. So that was 4 of 4 trades there that we ended up going green on. And again, I just stopped trading. I took a very extended break. I got on a conference call with a lot of the members from Evolution Traders. I recorded that video. So for those of you guys who are inside of Evolution Traders, it is updated in the Education Updates channel. So you guys can go ahead and take a listen to that call. That call lasted about an hour and 15 minutes, and it's absolutely pure gold. With that being said, if you guys need Apex accounts, 80% off, $85 activation fees, that link is down in the description box below. If you guys want to join Evolution Traders, that link's also down in the description box below. But I just want to leave you guys with this. When you enter a day and you make some cash, okay, and you make some cash and you follow your rules, I don't care if it's 1 trade that you follow every rule and you make some money, or it's 2 trades, or it's 10 trades. If you can do it a couple of times and you can finish green, instead of shooting for the stars and trying to make $1 million in a day, reward yourself by patting yourself on the back and taking off from work. What that means is no more trading for that day. Go live life. Go to your regular normal 9 to 5. Go do something else, okay? Because you have to reward yourself not only in terms of dollars, but you have to reward yourself in terms of mental equity. When you do things correctly, you deserve to be rewarded. So that's how you can build discipline. That's how you can build a lot of consistent kind of momentum as a trader. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.